Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm gonna use all Maven Beauty products to create this kind of like halo, sparkly, shimmery eyeliner look. I can't wait for you guys to see. I'm kind of creating like a ombre halo effect. I really don't know how to call this eye look, but I think it's gonna be perfect for the holidays coming up. So I hope this look is gonna give you some inspiration and kind of getting you into the holiday vibes already, even though I'm not sure if it's too early, but I'm already so excited to create lots of glamorous makeup looks. So the first palette I went in is with the soft blend and used a little bit of that light shade in the crease. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Mavenbeauty waterproof liquid eyeliner, which is amazing because you can twist the outer part of the eyeliner, which will make sure that there's always eyeliner running to the tip. This way it will never dry out. So first thing I did was kind of creating a tiny line at the beginning and also creating the line of my wing liner. I actually kind of want to fill it in. It's kind of hard for me to explain in English. If you have been following me for a while, you guys know my English is not like my birth language, so I'm always kind of struggling explaining stuff, but hopefully by seeing me doing it, it kind of all makes sense for somehow. But yeah, so I'm just creating kind of like the shape of the wing liner, and then I filled in the outer portion and the inner portion of the eyeliner with a little bit of the eyeliner to make it super black. Now after doing this, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and kind of fade that out a little bit more. But I feel like eyeliner is always darker than eyeshadow. So now I'm going in with this eyeshadow, which is from the Basic Beat eyeshadow palette line, and this one is in the color Divine. So I'm just gonna apply it right next to where I placed the eyeliner and just kind of like softly blend it kind of towards the middle part of my eyelid. So the point of doing this is just to kind of like fade out the eyeliner that I have applied, so it looks a little bit more softer. And now I'm going in with the Divine palette again, and this time I'm going in with the dark brown color which comes in the palette, which is this one right here. So using that same brush, it's just a super tiny brush, and apply a little bit of the brown shadow right next to the black eyeshadow and also slightly on top of it. This way the shades really nicely blend into each other. And in this eye look you could do two versions, like now I use the black eyeshadow, the brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use like a light base in the center. I'm gonna first go in with their Basic Beat cream shadow in the color Alpaca, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of that just in the center. I could go in straight with like a light eyeshadow, but just to make sure, like to make it pop a little bit extra, I went in with the cream shadow underneath just to make it even more lighter. Even though I did kind of change up my mind and I went in with a liquid eyeshadow on top of it. So you might as well skip this step. It's not really necessarily, unless you're going for the matte version. So if you really like how it's looking right now and you're kind of liking the matte vibe, you can just follow along and do all these steps. And now I go in with the brown shade and kind of blend right next to that light color and the black shade, and this will kind of create that ombre effect with the light in the middle, the lighter brown next to it, and the dark shade at the outer portions. But I changed my mind. Even though I really like how it's looking right now, I kind of wanted to go for something different. I just wanted to make it a little bit more glam. So I went in with the Maven Asteroid Tears in the color, let me check what the name is. It's called Aurora. It's one of my favorite products from Mavenbeauty. It's super pretty. I love using liquid eyeshadows. It's so easy to use, and the product just kind of transforms your whole makeup look. It's just so easy. I like it. So I used a little bit of that right in the center, and I'm really happy I did because it kind of gives the effect of that I used like a shimmery, like liquid eyeliner, even though I didn't. Well, I did use a shimmery liquid eyeshadow, but it kind of looks like I'm using like a metallic eyeliner. I don't know. I just really like the vibe and how it's looking. So yeah, I really hope this gives you some inspiration. I think this will look really cool for the holidays. And now the only thing that's left to do is use some mascara. So first I always curl my lashes, and then after doing that I'm going in with some mascara. Now you could also go in with some fake lashes, but I wanted to keep this eye look a little bit more simple. I also used in my previous video no fake lashes and you guys really seem to like it. But for my next video, I will use some lashes again, because I know some people also really like it when I do wear lashes. But I just try to use as much mascara as possible to like make them as long as possible. So yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. If you want to purchase any of the Maven Beauty products, I will link all the products I use down in the description bar, together with the links where you can purchase the Maven Beauty products. So check out their website, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe